Yo, what's up, my peeps? So, I got another review for you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of them coming to you here. Freaking mailman stopping by every daggone day. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot coming down the road for y'all guys. So just hang with me. And hey, if you haven't by now, subscribe to me because you like the stuff that I'm actually doing and you just keep popping in. Hey, subscribe to me. That way, when I put out something new, you're gonna get notified. You're gonna know that I did. So, and with everybody else, when you're watching, if you like it, comment, share, do all that great stuff for me. I greatly appreciate it. And let's give it a big old shout out to the Screaming Eagle back here. Still haven't got a name for him yet, but we're going to work that out. So here we go with this review. So this review is actually brought to you by the company ProEdge Technology. All right. So they hit me up and they sent me out some of their 4.5 inch cutoff wheels. First off, my first impression on these jokers were they are extremely thin, very thin. And that is one of their advertising things, is that these are thinner than most of your standard cutoff wheels. And I've compared these to some of my other cutoff wheels that I normally get at Harbor Freight, and they are a little bit thinner than what those are. So I will give them that. So these jokers, let's get into it. Let's talk about them. So what they are, they supposedly deliver a very aggressive but continuous cutting action with a low wear rate, and that's say that 3 or 4 times very fast. Offering significant more cuts per wheel compared to any standard alternative. So pretty much what they're saying is that these should wear less than your normal cutoff wheel. And I have put that to the test, and we'll get into that later on in the video. So you got to stick around. You know, one thing about these, they are a 0.046 inch ultra thin profile. And like I said, as I'm holding this up right there, I mean, you barely can see it. And like I said, I've compared these to some of my other ones I've gotten, and these are thinner. I have to give them that. Another good thing about these is that they claim that the cutting discs, they slice through the middle just like pure butter. I'll give them that one. Because in the cut test that I done on using these, they did cut good. I'm not going to lie about that. They did cut really good. So they also state that it reduces friction. It has reduced friction and heat buildup. It ensures that there is a rapid, smooth, burr-free cut every single time. The cut I done, there's a few little burrs on it, but not bad, you know. You know, as far as safety and reliability, they have these things that are woven into, like, it's really cool how they got this, because it's got 2 layers of high tensile, high duty fiberglass mesh. That's what's made on the back of these, as you can see right here. Okay, this is the front of it right there. Give you a little shot of that. You know, it's not a CD. You know, we're not rocking it out or anything. We're cutting it out. Yeah, that's a dad joke. I'm sorry. But yeah, so they're saying that these actually have a 7/8 inch arbor bore right there. It does, like I said, this 4.5 inch cutoff wheel. It's going to fit most of your angle grinders, your 4.5 inch angle grinders. You know, it's going to do that with no problem. This thing will go up to speeds, which is usually standard on the majority of your cutoff wheels, 13,300 RPMs. That is to ensure stability, low vibration performance, and a seamless control. These things come, and when you order them, they come in a variety of things. The ones they sent out to me is a 10-pack. In a bulk pack, you can get them up to more than that. I mean, that's, you know, they do have a wide variety of how you can get these in bulk, which that's a good thing. what these will actually cut. You know, they're advertising that these will actually cut your carbon steel, stainless steel, your sheet metal, excuse me, structural pipes, copper, and any other ferrous metals. Okay, so another thing, and honestly, I really haven't looked at any of the other warranties on cutoff wheels because I just use them, but Pro Edge actually gives you a 30-day peace of mind period for these. So if you have any problems with them, you can contact them within those 30 days and let them know that either something's wrong with them or what, and they will take care of you. So now let's get down to my cut test that I done. So what I put this on was, I have a I've got a battery operated, so I've got a 20 volt that I use, and I popped that on there, and I was cutting 1/8 inch flat stock is what I was cutting. Okay, and I will start it right up here. As you see, I'm cutting it. It did cut through. As far as the less vibration or anything like that, it was kind of about the same as my other one that I had on there. It did cut off really good. I mean, it did have a good clean cutoff. But one thing that I noticed was, since this is kind of thin, it wore down fairly fast. I mean, I took off probably close to about that much on my first go around on that flat stock. Now, granted, 1/8 inch flat stock, yeah, that's pretty thick. I mean, so you got some pretty good stuff there. But I'm sitting there thinking, if you're saying stainless, then I don't know. But for me, it wore about the same as my other ones, being a little bit thicker. So I mean, it's a give and take. Did it cut good? Yes, it cut really good. I had no problem with that. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the price wise on these ain't bad either. So these were, I think the price goes for $9.99 for 10 of them. So, and if that's wrong, I'll throw it up there, but I'll throw the price up there regardless, even if I am right or wrong. But you're looking at about $1, roughly almost $1 a blade here. So so a disc. So this is one of those, what you like. So do I say these are not what they say they are? Not at all. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that it cut like it was supposed to. This is what I expected. I expected to cut through the metal and do it with not such great force, and it done it. So yeah, I'm very pleased with these. I would recommend them. I mean, most definitely. I think if you're cutting a little bit thinner stuff, I think it'll cut really good. Heavier stuff, I really don't know. I would like to try to get me some stainless steel and cut with these and see what happens. But yeah, I mean, y'all, for the price, I mean, $9.99, you get 10 of them, $1 a thing. And this day, that ain't bad at all. So yeah, that's my review on here. SEMO-MAC is, to me, it does what it's supposed to do, and I'm okay with that. So yeah, if y'all are interested in something like this, I'll drop the link down there. Pro Edge has all kinds of stuff. They have all kinds of cutting stuff. They have drill bits. I'm kind of interested in their drill bits. I really would like to get some of those and see what it is. So I might have to see what SEMO-MAC can swing here and see if he can get him some drill bits in. But yeah, that's my review on this. I say you can't go wrong with them. I say if you want it, go pick them up. It ain't gonna hurt anything. I can tell you that right now. So hey, this is SEMO-MAC, hoping that you are always being kind to one another and that I hope you have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.